Love you, Sagittarius. Hope you're having a lovely day. Sagittarius, this is your daily relationship message for you, Sagittarius. And after the relationship message, I'll be doing a pick a card reading for you all guys. Watch out for the pick a card reading. And this is your relationship card for you, Sagittarius.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Today's reading is going to be like a pick a card love reading, guys. So this is your first set of cards and this is your second set of cards. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card first, guys. So let's see what it is after a few seconds, guys. Okay guys, let's start with this card. I'll keep it here. So we have the Empress in reverse, Knight of Suns in reverse, and Postulant of Stars in reverse, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this first set of cards, there is someone, it may be your a woman friend, or it may be your mother or sibling, someone in your life, some woman in your life. So they are quite possessive of you. They have that love towards you, but they are really possessive, trying to control you or trying to dominate you. Maybe they are suggesting few things about this connection, what you need to do in this love, or what you need to do in this connection, guys. And they are quite adamant, imposing their ideas on you, and you feel really weak and powerless in front of them, because you have true love for this person and you have great respect for this person. So for some of you, you are unable to go against what they are telling you today. So maybe you are stressed because of that. Maybe for some of you, they are not having a good opinion about this person you love. So they are asking you to leave them, guys. So that is what I see, guys. And today something unexpected is coming in your situation. Maybe you are in this connection, you are with this person in a very unexpected way. You met them, maybe you never had the intention to be in this connection with them, but you are there, and this is a very, what to say, intimate and a very easygoing kind of a relationship. But if you want to take it to the next step, you need deeper commitment from you and that person. Maybe this person lacks that commitment. That is the reason this person in your life, this true friend of yours, they are suggesting you otherwise, to make a stop and think clearly whether you need this love. But you are not in a position to listen to them, because you feel they are dominating and trying to control you, trying to control your actions, guys. So some kind of misunderstandings are there today for you in your love situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first set of cards. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's see what is the second set of cards, guys. For those who have chosen this card, we have Knight of Pentacles in reverse, King of Swords, and Seven of Swords in reverse. So in your situation, guys, you are a person who is really courageous, who has willpower, strength and determination. So whatever your situation is, you are ready to spring into action. You are a very responsible person. You have that responsible attitude towards the people or towards your work or even in your personal life. So you are always ready to jump into action, ready to make the necessary steps to succeed in life or to go for that right actions in your life, guys. And maybe today for some of you in your situation, guys, it may be in your career or personal life, there are some people giving you certain suggestions on something, some kind of advice what you need to do, maybe with this relationship or maybe regarding your career, but you are not willing to listen to them. Maybe you are quite careless or you are quite not in a state to take up anything. You just want to take rest. Maybe you are simply tired with your work or tired with these huge responsibilities that you have. So you are just taking time, or you want to take time to think maybe, or take time to relax, then decide. So some kind of inert energy is also there in your situation, guys. Maybe that is the reason you are not ready to jump into action, taking up this person's advice. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For those who have chosen the second set of cards, that is the reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.
Round and round. Relationship message. Are you wondering, how did I get here again? Does something feel familiar right now in your dynamics with others? Maybe a little too familiar. Don't be surprised that you have found yourself repeating an old story with the same sort of person who may not look similar but who attracted you because of your easy acquaintance with his or her qualities. Your relationship is a mix of what is good and what is potentially challenging. You have been drawn to this person through the perfection of Spirit's plan for your evolution. You may have circled back to an accustomed spot, yes, familiar place, but that's fine, as you get to do things again, only differently this time. For you learned something of great value since the last time round. How will you choose to behave now that you are aware? Remain curious and stay out of the blame game.